Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the keyframe feature in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, we can use the keyframe to make a movement either on the video, on a photo, or any object. And for example guys, I'm going to use the keyframe to make like a zoom in or zoom out effect. And if you want to apply keyframe, you're going to go to the video if you want to apply it to your video, and then you're going to add the keyframe right here. So this is the keyframe icon, and to make zoom effect we're going to add keyframe to the scale. Okay, I'm going to add keyframe to this part, the first part, and for the second part I'm gonna make zoom effect. So I'm gonna zoom in like this, and let's see the movement. Okay, if you want to make zoom out effect, just change the scale. For the first scale, you're going to zoom in like this. And for the second position, make it, scale it down, I mean. Okay, and you will create something like this. You can also make a movement from the left to the side or vice versa. Or actually, you can also add keyframe to, for example, sticker, and you can make the sticker move. Okay, like this. If you want to cover something with sticker, you can also use the keyframe. Okay, I'm gonna make the sticker follow the girl. Wait, let me delete the keyframe for the scale. And I'm going to add the keyframe to this sticker. Okay, you're going to go to the sticker and add the keyframe to the position. Oops, where is the sticker? Okay, we're going to add it, add the keyframe right here, and then we're going to adjust it one by one. Just change the position, and the keyframe will be automatically added. Yeah, just like this, guys. And then the sticker will follow the moving girl. So it has multiple function, and I think this is one of the powerful tools in CapCut. Okay, let's play it, guys. Okay, guys, and that's how you can use keyframe in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!